Samsung to produce Snapdragon 8 Elite 2nd Gen chips on 2nm node. Big things are happening in the tech world. Qualcomm is shaking things up with its plans for the next generation of Snapdragon chips. According to a report from the Korean publication Daily, Qualcomm has struck a deal with Samsung to manufacture the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2nd generation chips using the ultra-advanced 2nm process. But that's not all. TSMC will also be in the mix, producing a version of the chip on a slightly larger 3nm node. Samsung will be hard at work at its Hwaseong S3 factory, cranking out an impressive 1,012-inch wafers each month. These powerful chips are set to power Galaxy devices in the latter half of next year. However, it looks like they might miss the boat for the Galaxy S26 series, so we could see them debut in the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Flip 8, and possibly even the Tab S11. In addition to this exciting development, the two tech giants have also teamed up for another innovative project. Qualcomm has designed a 4nm chipset specifically for extended reality (XR) headsets, which will be featured in Samsung's Project Moohan, slated for release later this year. Samsung is also working on two more XR headsets, dubbed Project Haean and Project Jinju, though details on the chips for those remain under wraps. Samsung's production capabilities are impressive, with the ability to churn out 7,012-inch wafers on its 2nm node. The Snapdragon 8 Elite 2nd Gen deal only takes up about 15% of that capacity, which is a strong vote of confidence in Samsung's foundries. This could pave the way for attracting more customers in the future. Of course, some of that 2nm capacity will also be dedicated to the Exynos 2600 chipset, which is expected to make its debut in the Galaxy S26 series. While leaksters are buzzing about this, it's still unclear if all S26 models will feature Exynos chips, especially since the TSMC-made Elite 2 chips will be available later in the year. We'll get more clarity when Qualcomm officially unveils the Elite 2 in October. On the other side of the coin, TSMC is facing its own challenges with the 2nm process. Reports suggest that Apple has delayed its transition to 2nm until 2026 due to low production yields. This situation likely influenced the Qualcomm and Samsung partnership, as Apple typically secures a large portion of the cutting-edge capacity at TSMC. Stay tuned for more updates as these developments unfold in the exciting world of tech.